Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this 20 plate BMW 420i M-Sport. Car itself is finished in Black Sapphire Metallic paintwork, and as you can see it's had a whole load of tasteful little aftermarket body styling. As you come around to the front of the vehicle, you've got front parking sensors on it. You've got the upgrade gloss black kidney grills, upgraded gloss black front splitter, all in lovely order, through LED headlights with BMW Angel Eye headlights. And then, like I said, all onto the bonnet is all in lovely order. Coming in down the driver's side, looking down the vehicle, it's all in lovely order throughout. Rear privacy glass, you've got your Gran Coupe badging on the rear windows. You've got these aftermarket M4 style mirror caps, and then we're riding on these lovely 20-inch aftermarket alloy wheels. They're finished in a gloss black and diamond turn finish. You have got the orange brake calipers. If you do buy the vehicle, we can change them to black for you if it's not to your taste. Gloss black side skirt extensions. As you then come through to the rear, you've got this lovely aftermarket gloss black boot lip spoiler. Your 420i badging, LED rear lights. You've got the upgraded gloss black rear diffuser as well, so it gives the more sportier fins in the centre. Same with these little compartments to the side. Rear parking sensors, full electric tailgate, so you just press the button, effortlessly glides up like so. With it being the Gran Coupe, loads of boot space in the back, a genuine set of tailored floor mats, both parcel shelves present in the vehicle, and then to close the boot, just press the button and it glides down it like so. Coming in down the passenger side, bumper corners all in lovely order. Again, looking down the passenger side, it's all in lovely order throughout. Then jumping inside, and I'll show you through to the rear. First, you've got the full cream leather interior on this one with a contrast black stitching. Arse fix in the back for your child seats, rear centre armrest, and then all the backs of the seats are in lovely order as well. And then jumping inside, again, driver's seat, that is all in lovely order. Same with the passenger seat, is in all in lovely condition. Then full electric windows, electric mirrors. You've got auto lights on this front and rear fog lights, leather multifunction steering wheel. You've got the ZF HP gearbox in this as well, which is Tiptronic, cruise and limit control, voice command, auto wipers. And then as we're doing the video today, the vehicle has only covered 41,725 miles. And then as we jump inside, with all these 4 series, you've got the full Pro navigation, larger screen SAT-NAV, so full DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation. You've got my vehicle and your connected drive, and then if we pop it into reverse, your front and rear parking sensors are displayed like so. You've got this lovely aluminium grained effect interior detailing, dual zone digital climate control with heated front seats, air conditioning, front cup holders. Both keys are supplied with the vehicle. The cup holders can be hidden like so. You've got your different drive modes. So you've got Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro mode, and then you've got the lovely toggle wheel here to control all the screen as well, if it also being touchscreen. Front centre armrest, no rips or tears in there. Extended storage, USB input, and if we pop our heads into the glove box, boot pack is present as well. But any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. And thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.